Italy is a food lover's paradise, with a rich culinary heritage that varies from region to region. From the northern Alps to the southern shores of Sicily, Italian cuisine offers a diverse array of flavors and dishes that are sure to delight your taste buds. Here are the top 10 foods you must try when visiting Italy. Number 10. Pizza Margherita. The quintessential Italian pizza, originating from Naples. It's made with a simple yet delicious combination of tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Pizza Margherita was created in 1889 by Neapolitan pizzaiolo, pizza maker, Raffaele Esposito. He crafted this pizza in honor of Queen Margherita of Savoy, who was visiting Naples. The pizza's ingredients were chosen to represent the colors of the Italian flag: red, tomato; white, mozzarella; and green, basil. Queen Margherita was so impressed with the pizza that it was named after her. Number 9. Pasta Carbonara. A classic Roman dish made with spaghetti, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, guanciale, cured pork cheek, and black pepper. It's creamy, savory, and utterly satisfying. The key to a perfect carbonara is to mix the eggs and cheese off the heat to avoid scrambling the eggs. Cook the pasta and guanciale, then mix the eggs and cheese in a bowl. Combine the pasta and guanciale, remove from heat, and pour the egg mixture over the pasta, tossing quickly to create a creamy sauce. Number 8. Risotto alla Milanese. A luxurious rice dish from Milan, made with arborio rice, saffron, butter, onion, white wine, and Parmesan cheese. It's creamy, rich, and has a beautiful golden color. Risotto alla Milanese is best enjoyed immediately, while it's still hot and creamy. Enjoy it with a glass of dry white wine for a perfect match. Number 7. Lasagna. Layers of pasta, bolognese sauce, bechamel sauce, and Parmesan cheese baked to perfection. This hearty dish is a staple of Italian comfort food. Lasagna is one of the oldest types of pasta, dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. It's often served with a simple green salad and a glass of red wine. Number 6. Osso buco. A traditional Milanese dish of braised veal shanks, cooked with white wine, broth, and vegetables. It's typically served with gremolata. This dish originated in Milan and has been a staple of Lombard cuisine for centuries. It was traditionally made with veal, but modern variations may use beef or pork. Pair osso buco with a side of risotto alla Milanese for an authentic experience. The creamy risotto complements the rich and savory flavors of the braised veal, creating a harmonious and satisfying meal. Number 5. Tiramisu. A beloved Italian dessert made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, cocoa powder, and a hint of liqueur. It's creamy, rich, and indulgent. The dessert quickly gained popularity and became a staple in Italian cuisine. Tiramisu means pick-me-up in Italian, referring to the energizing effect of the coffee and cocoa. Refrigerate the tiramisu for at least 4 hours, or overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and the dessert to set. Just before serving, dust the top with a generous layer of cocoa powder. Number 4. Gelato. Italian ice cream that's denser and more flavorful than regular ice cream, ranging from classic vanilla and chocolate to unique flavors like pistachio and stracciatella. Gelato is typically served at a slightly warmer temperature than ice cream, which enhances its creamy texture and allows the flavors to shine. It's often enjoyed in a cup or cone and can be topped with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Number 3. Prosciutto di Parma. A dry-cured ham from the Parma region, known for its delicate flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture. It's often served thinly sliced with melon or as part of an antipasto platter. Prosciutto di Parma is best enjoyed thinly sliced, allowing the delicate flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture to shine. Enjoy it with a glass of Lambrusco, a sparkling red wine from the same region. Number 2. Arancini. Sicilian rice balls filled with ragu, meat sauce, peas, and mozzarella, then breaded and fried to golden perfection. They're crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Enjoy arancini as a snack or appetizer. They are often served with a side of marinara sauce for dipping. Arancini can also be enjoyed as part of a larger meal, accompanied by a fresh salad or other Italian dishes. Number 1. Cannoli. A traditional Sicilian dessert consisting of a crispy pastry shell filled with sweet ricotta cheese, often flavored with chocolate chips. Cannoli are often enjoyed during festive occasions and celebrations, such as weddings, holidays, and religious festivals. Cannoli are best enjoyed fresh, with a cup of espresso or a glass of sweet dessert wine like Marsala. The contrast between the crispy shell and the creamy filling makes for a delightful treat. Want more awesome content just like this? Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.